play a part to get to where I am today. I had to believe that whatever my abilities are can be fed, and I can come back into APS and do what I'm doing today. And I believe that you guys can as well. And going into the parent liaison position, I was helping other parents like me to do it. Well, when I got in there, I found out, well, not only am I helping parents, I get to go back into the community. So we all working together have decided to be inclusive. So inclusive that this whole week is not about you or me, but about all of us.